Hello my friends, this is Chris and welcome to the channel. It's been a few weeks since we upload a new video, but today I have a special treat for you. We got in these Blacklight lighters. They're new for the 2021 fall collection. As you can see already, they look amazing. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, help our small channel grow, and in return we're gonna pick one lucky subscriber that is gonna win $100 in Zippo merchandise of his choice or her choice. Please smash the like button and leave me a comment below what you want to see next and what you think about this video. Let's jump through so we can see these lighters up close. So I have the lights turned on right now. So let's talk about the codes and the description. So this is the Loch Ness design. This is the 49697. This is the tarot card design, 49698. And this is the Blacklight eye design, 49699. So all three lighters are 55.95 Canadian dollars. So we're just gonna close the light and put them under the black light. Let me move a little bit closer here. Okay, let's see what we can do to show you the best of them. It's very hard to capture. Let's open a light in the background. It's a little bit difficult to see because under the black light you can see more detail of the rest of the design. You can get a little bit of a better idea now. I know it's not ideal, it's very hard to capture them 100%. Let's try one more time to close all the lights. Maybe go on top with a black light and bring them closer. Yeah, it's kind of super hard. So there you got it. They look even amazing with the lights on. So God bless everybody for clicking to watch this video. Soon we're gonna have more amazing lighters. Stay in touch. Thank you for watching.